My greetings to everyone. I am Haramanpreet Kaur, pursuing Bachelor of Science at Kanya Mahavidyalaya, Jalandhar. Today I am going to present a poster on the topic Impact of COVID-19 Lockdown on Environment. There are different aspects which are affected by COVID-19 lockdown. Maybe it was human health, economic condition or any other. But its impact, positive impact can be seen on the environment. It is first time seen that the pandemic proved to be useful for the environment. No doubt it had impact the humankind worstly, but if we see from the eye of the nature, it proved somewhere useful. So in my poster I show some benefits and some drawbacks of COVID-19 lockdown on environment. First benefit is improving air quality. By this lockdown, aeroplanes are restricted country to country, and the harmful gases like nitrogen dioxide and formaldehyde that are released by burning the fuel in the aeroplanes are reduced. And the NASA scientists said that people are looking at the COVID 19 impacts and seeing better air quality with less traffic. So, second point is energy consumption. Road traffic was almost stopped during the lockdown. The petrol, diesel, and another fuel consumption rate fell down. I show some data of related to the consumption of petrol in the India, and also I show that extraction process which is caused to environment pollution, it has been stopped. I have mentioned some major air pollutants which significantly decreased during the period of lockdown. Season changing is another point which I discussed. As in Jalandhar also, we observed the Himalaya region clearly from our homes. Wildlife is also affected from this lockdown. Stag or another wild animals wander around the lockdown cities across the world. In my poster, I mentioned some data of top COVID 19 states in India which are generating the biomedical waste, and Maharashtra is the leading producer of the biomedical waste. So conclusion is restricted human interaction with the nature during this crisis has appeared to be blessing for nature and environment. Thank you.